ultimately, I think, when we view it objectively, the letter really does not shed any light on the issue of whether the court's decision was a good one or whether it wasn't a good one. The author attacks people who think that the court's decision wasn't a good one. And by the way, this sort of response to an argument is known by a very fancy Latin term called ad hominem. Hominem, you might sound like Homo sapien, per person. It's a Latin word which means against the person. It's an ad hominem argument. It's an argument against the person. This is viewed as being an informal fallacy in general. That is, the point here, I think, though, is it's not relevant. The people who are against if there's something wrong with the people, if there's something wrong with their set of beliefs of the people that are against the Supreme Court decision, the author should address that, not attack the people themselves. And notice she doesn't reply to the reasons that the critics have for supporting their position. She simply responds emotionally to the conclusion of their argument rather than providing a reasoned response to her argument. And I think on the whole we can decide this is not a good way to argue in general or to argue rationally. And this is not the kind of arguing that we're trying to develop in this course.